Today I'll make this origami bat. To make this, you'll need a square sheet of paper. To start, fold two opposite corners together. Once you've done that, fold it in half like this. Unfold and fold the bottom up to the top so it leaves a triangle of about this much space. Now fold the triangle on the top down, but not all the way down. You can fold it in half backwards after that and flip it over. Now fold this flap forward like this. So this edge meets directly on the bottom point. So it looks like this. Flip it over and complete the same. And make sure both of the flaps are on top of each other and aligned. Once you've done that, you want to fold the bottom edge onto here. Flip it over and complete the same. Once you've done that, it should look like this. Now, you want to fold this flap down like this. Flip it over and complete the same. Now, you can pull lightly and you have an origami bat. If you want, you can draw eyes here and here. Like this.